She made a playful squeal as I attacked her. It was clear she was enjoying herself. She was laughing herself to tears. "Daddy, stop. My sides hurt." She continued to laugh. Her joy was contagious. I smiled. For once in years, I smiled. I did to say I smiled more than I have my entire life. At last, all good things must come to an end. She was tired and fell asleep shortly after. My wife soon came home. She was so glad to see me. She held my name again, laughing to tears. She hugged me, still laughing. I continued to smile. She looked down and saw my tagging tool, quickly shooting her focus back to my eyes. I continued to smile. "Michael," tears continued to stream down her face in excitement. "How could you do this to our little angel?" She tried to run, but she was too slow. "Tag," I smiled wider. "You're it."